At Heatline, we're always developing new products to solve freeze protection issues in the field. Over many years, we have realized there are many small diameter pipes that require internal freeze protection systems where our standard, time-tested retroline was simply too large to fit. The call for a small geometry system has been part of Heatline's research and development for many years, and we are thrilled to finally bring it to the market. Small geometry, problematic municipal service tubes are well known to Public Works, and we now have the ability to retrofit them without the need to excavate or install new pipes. There are many applications for these small diameter pipes, and we finally have a high quality, fully certified solution. The Retroline Mini is an advanced, proprietary, self-regulating heating cable system engineered to go inside small diameter water supply pipes and drains. Retroline Mini easily installs with standard 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch metallic or non-metallic pipes, drawing upon the time-tested success of our renowned Retroline system, known for over 37 years of effortless installations, unwavering durability, and unmatched reliability. The Retroline Mini inherits all its exceptional benefits and more. It is installed directly inside existing water supply pipes while having a minimal effect on water flow and pressure. Say goodbye to expensive excavation costs, as the Retroline Mini can be easily pushed through pipes up to 130 feet long, and with no need for a downward anchoring device, the system remains fully serviceable. The Retroline Mini is supplied job ready, complete with all the plumbing fittings and power supply, making the entire installation often achievable in less than an hour. The Retroline Mini is safe, highly reliable, and exceptionally energy efficient. Manufactured from time-tested Heatline self-regulating heating cable technology, high-quality Filmac compression fittings with a long history of success, and a GFCI protected power lead for added safety. Retroline Mini is certified by CSA for both electrically and for potability under NSF 61. The Retroline Mini exceeds the highest quality standards and certifications in North America. Unlike outdated heat tape, the Heatline self-regulating heating cable of the Retroline Mini ensures pipes are never at risk of melting or overheating, even when the pipe is dry, and is proven to perform in the most extremely cold environments. Additionally, the system can be fully insulated, further enhancing energy efficiency and cold climate reliability. Manufactured, designed, and patented in North America, the Retroline Mini comes with a 5-year limited warranty with an optional 10-year extended warranty. Ensure a worry-free winner with the most reliable, easy to install, and energy efficient in-pipe heating cable system on the market.